What is up, guys? It's your boy, No Risk, No Premium, and I'm back with another episode of the 2-minute drill. Well, if you joined us for the Sunday sermon, you said basically if you didn't respect the bottom, then you didn't respect your own bottom. And that's the truth. And the bottom being what level? Right here, the 200-day moving average on the weekly chart. Went down and grabbed it again. Had a nice fake out for the bears, a failed breakdown, whatever you'd like to call it, right? To only bounce right back on up. Okay, so we held the 200-day moving average. Now, this is the range I think that we can be in going into Wednesday and Thursday. And here's why. The market typically likes to have consolidation into larger catalyst events. Wednesday, FMOC minutes. Thursday, core CPI. Okay. Friday with economic data as well. But I think a range into the Wednesday and Thursday could possibly be a catalyst to catapult us out of this range. So far, this range is looking like 357 to 366 so far. That's what I'm going to be watching. So tomorrow, I will be looking at 364. That is the day's open, okay, on the daily chart. So let's go back to the daily chart here. Okay, daily chart, you see us, we've got a couple wicks to the bottom, technically not as bullish, as bearish as a candle, excuse me. But I'm going to be looking for a play on the 5MA tomorrow, a play back to the 5MA. I want to see where that opens up. Okay, I think we could get it to open up a few points lower. Okay, I think it could get down 368, 366. If it gets to 366, I think we could see possibly us go bump our head. Now, as far as tomorrow goes, 364. If we don't gap up through it, I'll be initially looking at the reaction there, because that is currently marked as the weekly local top and yesterday's high. So I'll be looking to take puts there, but I think we could possibly get a push back up to 366. We get over 366, we're going to 370. 370, I 100% urge you to go and look at the right side of the change, i.e. las putas, the put side. You want to go short there, 370. 364 is a moderate short. I definitely look short 366. Okay, for sure. But if we're through 366, we go 369, 370, huge short. Above that, we can Ripper Magoo. How are you back on up? 372, 378 above that. Okay. Tomorrow below 357 gets really ugly. It's a horrible breakdown. There's a volume show. I mean, the 50 MA on the monthly chart is 352. Okay. 350 is the 50% retracement from COVID low to COVID high. So under 357 is 352. Okay. Then 350. Then 340. I mean, it just gets really bad under these levels. I mean, real bad. But I don't think we quite get there. I think tomorrow is another range day, some trappier moves. I think we could get above yesterday's, or what will be yesterday's today's. I think we get above today's highs only to drop back below to maybe go down and test the lower range. Basically, guys, when we consolidate, the market's whole job is to try to get as many people trapped as possible, create the most liquidity, get people chasing. Okay, they're just burning time and killing time until that data comes out, which is where I think that that's what I think will happen. We'll be ranging into the data. Now, I want to put this disclaimer out. Okay, because it's a little my bias, and my bias doesn't matter. I get that. But listen, if we break and take out 357, everything I said about range trading out the window. Okay, we are leg down. So if that confirms a daily close underneath, okay, like today was, I call a failed breakdown. Okay, so look for a fake out to the downside, look for a fake out to the upside tomorrow. Okay, 364, 366, 370 above, below, because we closed it where? 360. So 360, 357 below that, 352 below that. Okay. But if we're ranging and consolidating tomorrow, we should be looking at calls on support and puts on resistance. Very simple trading. Don't get lost in the sauce. Wake up early, get your levels right, and don't do anything fucking stupid. I'll see you guys bright and early. Peace.